and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stop spam bots on Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to stop spam bots on Discord, all you gotta do is simply open your Discord. Once you open your Discord, you need to now enable your auto mode. That is, you need to simply go to the server setting, and once you have opened your server setting, if that is your own server, then you can simply tap on block spam content and block mention spam. So this will increase the server verification level to highest, and you can use your third-party moderation bot like a Raid Protect to ban bot accounts automatically. For DMs, you can simply go and tap open your profile and simply disable the option called allow direct messages from server members in privacy settings. So if you're gonna do this, then you can simply stop spam bots on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.